wants to watch an epic sales career failure live in real time? I know we don't like to watch those videos, right? The epic fail videos, but you keep watching the car crash, the dude falls over and then falls over again and then falls over again. Let me give you an example of an epic sales failure in real time. Let me introduce you to Kyle. So Kyle is in real estate wholesaling. Okay, what real estate wholesaling is, we won't get into it, but essentially your sales process needs to be on. You have to be able to reach out to people with properties that are distressed, that are in jeopardy. You have to get in there quickly. You have to sell them fast. And then how most real estate wholesalers do it, I know a thing or two because I've trained a lot of them that make $750,000 over $1 million a year. What most real estate wholesalers are able to do is flip that property before it even goes to a normal type of closing. They found a new buyer. All right. Kyle's in wholesaling. He wants to make, an extra 200 grand a year. Let's call Kyle and you tell me what's wrong with Kyle having a career in sales in the hyper fast world of real estate wholesaling. And this is what you get when you call Kyle.
Hello, you've reached Kyle Tiemann. I typically do not check my voicemail. Please send me a text for a quicker response. Have a great day.
Sorry, mailbox is full. To send an SMS notification, press 5.
Okay, can't even leave Kyle a voicemail. And you know what? I typically don't check my voicemail, so, send me a text. You know what? You do what the hell I want to do when you want to do it and give me your money. It's gross. It's disgusting. Kyle, hi, if you're out there, don't even get on the sales coaching until you're going to fix stuff like that. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is not to give Kyle a bad time, but most of us are making a mistake like this and we don't even realize it. Success happens in the margins, okay? You have to make sure that everything is tight, that everything is compressed. You have your voicemails down. Things are accurate when people call you. Guys, that was literally a car crash right in front of your eyes. If Kyle found a property and reached out to them or left a card on their door and they called Kyle back, but you know what? He typically doesn't check his voicemail. So I'm typically not going to get involved in having you sell my house, right? Or having you buy my house. I typically don't check my voicemail. Don't act like that. Guys, I'm telling you, it is a recipe for disaster. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.